On the weather with Sara Thornton. And Sara, I know I've just come back from somewhere pretty hot, but yes, it really doesn't feel like January here.
It is January, right? Yes, yeah. That's right, exactly. Tomorrow when it's 14 degrees, we'll all be trying to remember that it's January. Have to say, this is one of those forecasts you need a notepad for because it's going to change every single day. As I talk you through this week, no 2 days exactly the same, and it's because it's changeable, and that is why it's mild. When you get the kind of systems in from the west, it tends to make it feel very mild and windy as well. In fact, particularly windy for tomorrow and also for the middle parts of the week, but it will be certainly very mild the next couple of days. It's mild out there at the moment, and yeah, often it is dry, but there is some rain to talk about. That's why I'm saying keep a hold of a notepad. You'll need to make notes for this. Here's what we've had today. A little weak weather front came in. Yeah, not much on it, but it was a bit of nuisance drizzle through the last couple of hours. Clearing away now, clear for a time, and actually temperatures might just fall away briefly, 4 or 5 Celsius. But here are your wind gusts. Not too strong tomorrow morning, but southwesterly winds, a mild direction for us, and we've got mild air moving in with an awful lot of cloud through the day tomorrow, but a lot of dry weather as well. Couldn't say like today that you wouldn't see the odd stray shower here and there, a little bit of patchy rain by the end of the afternoon, but a good deal of dry weather before that. But the winds are starting to pick up again. I'll say these are your wind gusts, these black circles. Look at these temperatures, 13, maybe 14 Celsius, 57 in Fahrenheit. That is well above average for the time of year. Now we're going to keep that warm air with us for a time overnight, tomorrow night into Wednesday. Still an awful lot of cloud around. And then here's that messy system that we've got. A couple of weather fronts, one on Wednesday, a weak cold front, and then another warm front with quite a bit of rain on it, but again, still that continuation of very mild air. So look at the starting temperatures on Wednesday morning. That is not where we should be by any stretch of the imagination. And then the day itself, starting with maybe even a little bit of brightness at first, but then cloud really picking up, and that next weather system, the second one I showed you, starts to move in with quite a bit of rain. Those temperatures still well above average. I think when you've got this much rain though by the end of the afternoon on Wednesday, it's not going to feel any great shakes. Now I'll tell you right now that the symbols, the one-day symbols, take them with a pinch of salt for the coming days. A lot of dry weather for tomorrow, but a little bit of patchy rain by the end of the day. Wednesday and Thursday are quite wet for you, but it is mild. Certainly nothing like the start of January.
Absolutely. Thanks very much indeed.